I want to tell you the truth about how this healer was made. My art was not in it. For the last 10 days or so, I have been struggling with no energy, no direction, and a muscle ache near my heart that was draining me. I almost did not sit down at my desk that day. But something quiet in me said, just start. Just one layer. So I picked up my supplies, not expecting much. I chose the healer. Maybe a message could come from it. Since I am not feeling that well, it's the perfect time to channel the healer inside of me. I chose the size of my healer and chose really carefully what I wanted to create in me. The words restoration, care, and soothing were flashing to me. The process is the same as usual. I cut all the elements that I have chosen like I want. Since I have not a lot of energy, I was visualizing something simple and really soft. I was beginning to feel better. My composition made me happy. I felt a supportive energy that was getting through me. Very soft, very soothing, like a pink cloud of energy, and I was floating inside of it. I was working on it, and I was so in it that I forgot I was tired. When I can see the direction like a full seeker, I know I am in the right space. Usually, I explain more of the process or the art supply while I am doing it, but not today. I was more intrigued by the process of energy while doing it than by doing it itself. Did you notice I have a rose quartz in the shape of a heart? I thought it was really appropriate for the healer. For the first time in days, I had the urge to create something new. I found stencils recently that I forgot I had, and had the urge to use them for the background. I did not not know where I was going with that. I had so low expectation that I thought if it's not good enough, I will not show it. Problem solved. But it turned out to be really nice and completely to my liking. I mixed two motifs that were speaking to me. By the time the background was done, I was feeling much better. I can finally see the end of the tunnel. The healer in me rising to the occasion. If you compare this video with other videos that I made, I changed the process a little bit. The Mod Podge on the background, gluing the elements, and coloring as the last step. I did not plan anything. I just followed the energy of the healer. coloring my healer was the most soothing of all. Probably because of the pink cloud that I was referring about earlier. I was feeling the energy transferring in me. I colored the brown hair, just like mine, to feel more of the connection, to identify as much as I can with my artwork. I know I said I would not talk about the process and the art supplies, but I'm also a rebel, so I am breaking my own rules. I used my metallic markers. They are so gorgeous, they made my day. At this stage, I was fully into it. My low expectation was completely gone, and I was feeling a supportive feeling that came from nowhere. This healer changed my energy, my direction, and my sense of self. I realized that I took for granted the healer in me. For the last year, I had no time to take vacations or even days off. I have a goal and I was sticking to it. But this healer made me realize that it's okay to take days off from time to time, just to recuperate and be okay to continue later. Because if I don't, I could face the burnout situation. And I don't want that. I prefer prevention over emergency services. If you are also someone who forgets to rest, who pushes through because the mission feels too important to pause, this message is for you too. The healer inside of you is waiting. She does not need you to earn her. She only needs you to sit down and listen. As the finishing touches, I went back with colors to create depth. But I was marveling about the result. I was careful about what I was doing because it felt absolutely perfect to me. The more I worked on her, the more she worked on me. By the time she was finished, I felt supported, held, better than I had felt in days. I was so surprised. One of my best pieces came out of one of my lowest moments. That is when I understood the healer did not arrive because I was strong enough to make her. She arrived because I needed her.